You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
We are pleased to show you the 1985 Ferrari Mondial. The Mondial offers the practicality of 4 seats and the performance of a Ferrari. It has a slightly higher roofline with a single long door on each side, offering easy access and good interior space, reasonable rear legroom, while all-round excellent visibility. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Come see the car for yourself.